Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change backup account in Google Photos. It will be really simple and easy. So, if you are backing up photos to a certain Google account, you want to change that to the other Google account, it is rather quite simple. First of all, make sure to launch the Google Photos application. Now let's see that it is currently backing up to this account. First you have to turn off the backup from this account. So tap on the profile picture in the top right corner and turn off backup and turn off this backup. Once you turn off, you have to tap on this profile picture again and then you have to tap on this drop down and you have to select your Google account. Select the new account or the Google account and make sure you have logged in it. It will ask you to back up photos and videos on this device automatically. It will get selected by default and you can turn on backup. Otherwise, what you can also do is tap on the profile picture again and tap on this turn on backup to change the backup account in Google Photos. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change backup account in Google Photos. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.